When it comes to creating a stunning and functional outdoor living space, landscape lighting is an essential element that can dramatically transform the look and feel of your home. In Plano, where warm evenings and beautiful weather often invite homeowners to enjoy their backyards, the right outdoor lighting not only enhances the aesthetic of your property but also extends the usability of your outdoor spaces after the sun sets. Whether you're looking to enhance the beauty of your garden, improve security, or create an inviting atmosphere for evening gatherings, landscape lighting is the perfect way to bring your outdoor spaces to life. Here's how landscape lighting can completely transform your Plano home's exterior. Highlighting the beauty of your landscape. One of the primary benefits of landscape lighting is its ability to showcase the natural beauty of your yard. Plano is known for its lush landscaping, from manicured lawns to vibrant flower beds, tall trees, and tranquil water features. Landscape lighting can emphasize these elements, making your outdoor space as beautiful by night as it is during the day. Strategically placed uplights and downlights can highlight trees, plants, and shrubs, adding drama and depth to your yard. For example, a tall tree illuminated from below with soft lighting will create an eye-catching focal point. Similarly, lighting placed along the edges of flower beds can enhance the colors and textures of your plants, making them stand out against the night sky. Using pathway lighting along walkways and garden paths not only highlights your landscaping but also ensures safe navigation after dark, all while adding a warm, welcoming glow to your yard. Creating a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. Your landscape lighting isn't just about illuminating your yard, it's also about setting the mood. Whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a quiet evening outside, the right lighting can help create a relaxing, inviting ambiance. String lights or fairy lights draped across a patio or pergola add a soft, warm glow that creates a cozy and intimate atmosphere. For a more sophisticated look, deck lights or wall-mounted sconces around seating areas can provide subtle lighting that doesn't overwhelm the space. If you love to entertain, installing spotlights around your outdoor living spaces can create a stylish and welcoming environment for guests to gather. As the sun sets, your backyard will feel like an extension of your home, offering a perfect spot for outdoor dinners, casual get-togethers, or even relaxing alone under the stars. Improving safety and security. In addition to its aesthetic value, landscape lighting plays an important role in enhancing safety and security around your home. When your yard is well lit, dark corners and pathways become more visible, reducing the likelihood of accidents. Motion sensor lights placed along driveways, pathways, or near entry points are an excellent way to deter potential intruders. These lights automatically activate when they detect movement, providing an added layer of security to your property. By illuminating areas that are typically in the dark, you reduce shadows and make it easier to spot anyone who approaches your home, increasing peace of mind. In addition, lighting up steps and pathways with low voltage lights ensures safe navigation through your yard, especially during nighttime gatherings or late-night walks, and can help prevent tripping hazards. Extending your outdoor living space. Landscape lighting makes your outdoor space more functional, allowing you to enjoy your yard long after the sun sets. Whether you're grilling on the patio, having a late-night conversation by the fire pit, or just relaxing with a book, lighting can make your outdoor living areas comfortable and usable even in the evening. A well-lit patio, deck, or backyard allows you to enjoy more hours outdoors, whether it's for entertaining guests or simply relaxing in the peaceful ambiance of your illuminated space. You can set the mood for romantic evenings, family gatherings, or parties, ensuring that your outdoor living space remains inviting and accessible throughout the night. Increasing curb appeal and property value. Landscape lighting not only enhances the beauty of your backyard but also boosts the curb appeal of your home. In Plano's competitive real estate market, homes with well-designed outdoor lighting stand out and create a positive first impression. When potential buyers see a beautifully lit exterior with highlighted features like the front door, landscaping, and driveway, they're more likely to be drawn to the home. A well-lit property suggests that the home is well maintained, adding value and making it more attractive in the eyes of prospective buyers. Energy efficiency considerations. Today's landscape lighting systems offer energy-efficient options, such as LED lights and solar-powered lights, which use less electricity and have longer lifespans. This makes landscape lighting an affordable option for homeowners in Plano, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of your outdoor spaces without driving up energy costs. LED lights use a fraction of the energy compared to traditional incandescent bulbs, and solar-powered lights don't require any wiring, just installation in a sunny spot, and they operate entirely on solar energy. Conclusion. Landscape lighting has the power to transform your outdoor spaces in Plano, enhancing the beauty of your home while making it more functional, secure, and inviting. Whether you want to showcase your landscaping, create a relaxing atmosphere, or improve safety and security, outdoor lighting offers endless possibilities. By working with a local expert to design a customized lighting plan, you can make your outdoor space shine, both during the day and long into the night. Ready to transform your backyard with landscape lighting? Reach out to a trusted local lighting professional who can help bring your vision to life.